Chris Sang, gynt ar Exam. Un o 4 o enwau newydd yn dechrau'r gêm i'r Bala heddiw yma. Mae Will Evans di sleifio tu ôl i'r amddiffyn. Cyfle cynnar i Will Evans yn eich ymanu hi. Mymryn heibio'r nod gan Evans. Cyn Owen, Nathan Wood yn cynnig ei hun allan ar y chwith. Wood wrth i fod yn y safle yma, un yn erbyn un, ac yn curo Mendes. Wood yn eithon hi nôl. Bale nadlamu at Owen. Owen! Ac oedd hi ar Sam Smith yn y diwedd, ond heibio'r postyn. 10 munud wedi chwarae yma ar faes tegid. Nathan Wood yn curoedd un. Y croesiad i fewn, a Sam Smith oedd ar peniad. Ac mae Pen-y-bont ar y blaen. Smith a gol gynta'r tymor i Pen-y-bont. Wood yn curo Mendes. Y sgiliau'n glyfar, y croesiad yn dda. Smith ar peniad bach cynnil. Edwards yn gryf, dyma Mendes. Dau o grysau glas yn ei amgylch yn efo. Woods, pass that, Dave Edwards. Edwards yn holli'r amddiffyn, Chris Venables! O, fyddwch chi'n disgwyl i ymosodwr o safon Venables i rwydo yn fanna. Callum Woods, y gic rydd i fewn, gyfeiriad Venables, Case sydd yno. Edwards yn taro'r postyn! Ac mae'n nghefn y rhwyd! Oedd hi ar Will Evans. Wel, oedd hi'n gol lwcus, mae rai deud. Ond mi oedd Edwards yn anlwcus i beidio rhwydo yn ei gêm gyntaf uwch gyngrair Cymru. Edwards yn taro'r postyn, Smith yn trio clirio, ac oedd hi ar Will Evans i gefn y rhwyd. Clutton yn brysur. Wood yn troi un ffordd. O, gwych gan Wood. Mae o'n chwaraewr mor dalentog a'r croesiad yn taro. Llaw Mendes, ond ydy ddim yn gico'r smotyn. Di hangfa o bosib i'r Bala. Gig gornel yn isel. Pen-y-bont yn clirio dim ond at Mendes. Kieran Smith ar y foli tro yma. Mae'n syrthio at Chris Venables, o bygythiad dal yno. Smith unwaith eto yn tynnu'r bel yn ôl. A David Edwards, cyn chwaraewr Cymru, yn sgorio ar ei ymddangosiad cyntaf yn uwch gyngrair. Kieran Smith yn dangos dyfal barhad yn creu'r cyfle. A Dave Edwards, seren newydd y Bala yn rhwydo. Cyn Owen yn ei derbyn hi nôl. Croesiad ar y cynnig cyntaf yn hyfryd at Sam Smith ar peniad. Arbediad arwrol gan Ramsey. Ond mae Clutton yn cael ei lorio gan Woods ac mae'n gic o'r smotyn i Pen-y-bont. Cerdyn melyn i Smith am ddadle. Mae o'n siomedig fod hon ddim di mynd mewn yn y lle cyntaf. Arbediad gwych. O Woods nath am gweld Clutton yn dod tu ôl ddefo. Cyfle union i pethau felly. Cyn Owen yn erbyn Ramsey. Dim problem i Owen. Ac mae'r capten yn mynd i ddathlu gyda'r dorf. Rhywbeth yn nhw wedi cael mwynhau wneud estalwm. Y Bala 2, Pen-y-bont 2. Sang i fewn at Shannon. Shannon yn cael ei lorio. Wel na, di ddim yn gico'r smotyn. A'r ddau dîm yn teimlo falle dylen nhw fod wedi cael cicio'r smotyn pnawn yma. Edwards nôl at Southern. Yna lawio gan Evans, nag oedd. A dyma Wood, o nath honna symud, ond Ramsey ni gwthio hi am gic gornel. Mae Wood di brifo fan hyn, di troi ffair o bosib. Cynnig da gan Wood. Mendes, Danny Walker-Rice, torri tu fewn. Y croesiad at Dave Edwards yn syth at Ddilo Morris. Mi ddyle Edwards fod wedi cael ei ail o'r pnawn. Cicir yn chwilio am Sang, y bel yn cyrraedd Mendes. Mendes i fewn i'r cwrt i'r Bala. Mendes yn syth at y golwr. O, ac mae yna ddyrnau'n fflio fan hyn rhwng Venables a Jeffries, dwi'n meddwl sydd yno. Oedd Jeffries yn gry yn dal i dir yn rhwystro'r rhediad Venables. Doedd enillydd esgid air y tymor dwytho ddim yn hapus am hynny. Ac y breichiau'n fflio i bob man. Cerdyn melyn i Jeffries. Ac ydy, mae'n mynd i fod yn gerdyn coch i Chris Venables. A gwaharddiad o flaen Venables rwan, ergyd i wobeithion i ddal i afal ar yr esgid air yna. Smith yn llorio Dave Edwards, a dyna chi bas gan Smith at Keen Watts! Cyfle i Watts i ennill y gêm i Pen-y-bont. Oedd y bas di mesur yn berffaith. A ryw fodfedd yr ochr arall, a bydde Pen-y-bont di curo'r Bala am y tro cyntaf.
Yeah, happy with the goal. Disappointed we didn't win the game. Disappointed with our performance in general. I don't think we quite hit the heights we know we're capable of. But it was good for me personally to have my first game in the Welsh Premier. Something I've been looking forward to. Perhaps took me maybe 10 or 15 minutes to get used to the tempo of it. It's fast, it's furious, but yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's something hopefully I can build on personally and get fitter and stronger and contribute as much as I can to help Bala. We believe we've got a team that can really be at that top end of the league this year, so disappointed not to get the 3 points, but we know we've got a lot more to come as well.
I don't think we played well in the first half. I think we've had the best chances in the game to have won it. Chris went through in the first half and shot wide. Sangi went through in the first half and shot wide, and then Dave's had a middle of goal. And then, they're a really good team, and they've made it difficult for us. And it was blood and guts. It was good, but it wasn't what I wanted really. But you've got to respect them. They're good.
Who's happy with the result?
Yeah, I am. It's the first game of the season. A tough first game away at Bala. Team we've played 7 times in my time here, once in the cup and lost every time. I thought today was a typical game between the two sides of late in the last season or so, but this time we were streetwise enough and strong enough to actually finish strong. I thought probably second half with a better team.
Game anodd iawn, fi'n credu cyn y gêm byddwn ni wedi cymryd y pwynt, ond yn edrych nôl ar diwedd y gêm, fi'n credu ni bach yn anlwcus ddim yn mynd i'r tri, gyda ni siawnsys, ond ni dal yn hapus gyda'r pwynt.
The penalty is absolutely horrific. The decision is absolutely horrendous. Ollie's got a big swelling on his ankle. He's clean through. Does the lad get sent off? I'm not so sure if it's awarded a penalty, but it changes the whole outcome of the game. And then we start getting frustrated and stuff because of the decisions that's gone against us. And then Chris gets himself sent off. There's no excuses, but the penalty decision's a bad, shocking decision.
Yeah, I thought it should have been 3-3 with 3 pens. I thought ours was definite first half, and look, if the ref's in the wrong position and not his own fault but just happens to be in the wrong position or someone's running across his path, that's fine, but there's another 3 guys who can help out, and I can't understand how everyone could see ours and they didn't. And then I thought Bala's was probably a penalty as well, so in that sense it evened itself out.
I love football, absolutely love it, and as long as I can keep on playing, I will do. And the opportunity to come to this league was too good to turn down. It's helped my body personally being part-time. It allows me to recover a little bit better. I was struggling a little bit the last few seasons in the overload of training every single day, so that's helped me. But yeah, I'm delighted to be here, and so I just hope I can contribute to Bala as much as possible. Score goals, help the team win games, and I really believe we can do something special this year.